FitLab PGH believes movement should be treated as a lifestyle, whether you're a two-legged or four-legged athlete. If you're a two-legged athlete, you're traveling, you may not have access to a gym, maybe you're staying at a hotel and don't want to justify the cost of 25 or 30 bucks a day. So one of the options is some sort of a suspension trainer. There's a variety of ones out there. And I'm a huge fan of a company called Monkey. This is called the Pocket Monkey. It's a suspension trainer. If I want to do something outside, I can sling this over the tree and mount it to, or this right here is my suspension trainer for the hotel room. Fits in this little bag, but we have two handles. The Monkey Pocket Trainer comes with a device I can slam in the door. If you put it in the door, make sure you put it close to the hinges. And then what I'm able to do is just like what you can do with any other suspension trainer. Rowing exercises, various types of lunges,